What are you doing? Are you hammering? Where are you going? You should go hammer some more.
Go fix it.
Go fix it. Good job. Hammer. Hammer. Where are you going? Good job. Yeah. Fix it. Where are you going? Hi. Are you looking for things to fix? Go fix the door. Go hammer the door. You're loud. Are you trying to escape? That's funny. Elijah, that's a little loud, hon. The neighbors are going to hear. Thank goodness for deadbolts. Where's Mama?
Hi. I'm over here. I'm watching you. I'm watching you.
Where are you going? Hi. Hi. What? What did you find? What did you find? How old are you? Huh? 19 months old. About 19 and a half months old. Ooh. Good job. What are you looking at, though, right? That's cute. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Are you okay? I'm sorry.
Do you need a hug?
Uh-oh.
Oh.
Elisha.
Did you hit yourself with the hammer? I'm sorry.
He slipped.
Do you need a hug?
Can you say bye-bye?
You're losing your balance.
Can you say bye-bye? He's like, I'm gonna leave. I'm done. Bye-bye. Uh-oh. Elijah. What is that? Uh-oh. What is that? That's Daddy's phone. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Okay, can you say bye-bye? Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Oh, thank you.